So welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm going to be going down to Chesterley Street on the East Coast Main Line. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's vlog from Hexham. Obviously this vlog will be out next week because I'm going to do like one vlog each week or every couple of weeks. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I should be at Central Station for about 2 o'clock. Train's leaving at about 3 minutes past 2. I hope we get to Chesterley Street for about 2:15. So again, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you at Central Station. So here I am at Chesterley Street as promised. I didn't get too much footage at Newcastle because it was quite busy and I nearly missed the train. So I've just jumped off the Trainspotting there here at Chesterley Street on the East Coast Main Line. So it's the day after I travelled to Hexham from Newcastle. That vlog will already be up, but this vlog will be out a week later, even though it's the day after. And again, it's another nice day. And let's see what we can spot on the station here at Chesterley Street. I'm hoping for some East Coast Main Line fast trains to pass across. Sorry, East Coast, and I'm also expecting there some cross country and some Trainspotting and some freight if we're very, very lucky. So again, don't forget to subscribe if you're new and enjoy the vlog. Here comes the cross country. 2:25, nice tone from the driver there, brilliant. Here comes a Virgin Trains East Coast. Bound for Newcastle. First one of the day going south to London. Trainspotting there on its way to Newcastle, where it will be terminating and going back towards Manchester and Liverpool area on the way back. Two in succession, brilliant. So while it's still quiet, it's 3 o'clock at Chesterley Street Station, and it's been pretty good up now, as you've probably seen in the clips. I've caught a few cross countries and a couple of Virgin Trains East Coasts, and it's been fantastic. Not to mention that this station is rather quiet on a daily basis. It doesn't really get that many passengers because the only services that seem to run in here are the Trainspotting Express services, which only stop here every couple of hours, and you get the odd Northern Rail that stop here as well. So that's probably the reason why it's so quiet, and a lot more people seem to get out of Durham and Newcastle. But again, it's a great station if you want to spot trains at a fast pace, and it's a nice day for it. You want to choose a nice day like today to come train spotting. And yeah, I'm going to stay at about 5-6 o'clock. I got here about 2:15, so we'll be here for at least another couple of hours train spotting. So enjoy. Here comes another train. Another Trainspotting Express, should I say? Tongue-tied. Off it goes down south, another cross country. I was just about going on the other side of the platform and a train decided to come. This is what happens when there's no ball working. You've just got to predict when they come. And yeah, this is just a little bit of Chesterley Street here. That's towards Newcastle. That's towards the south, towards Manchester, London and beyond. Taxi office there, a few seats, there's a waiting room there to your far end, and obviously platform 2 is just basic. Right, let's go. So it's currently 3:30. Nice little bit of scenery there as well. Anyway, I'm going to continue to do some more train spotting on this exact platform. Yeah, comes another train cross country. So there's another Virgin Trains East Coast on the way. Off it goes to Newcastle. So the first train of the day, which is pulling in at Chesley Street, is the Trainspotting service to Newcastle Central Station. Only one stop to go after this. There it goes off to Newcastle. Just after 4 o'clock. And the next train on that side will be the train I'm catching home, which will be the 18:03 service back to Newcastle. I did say they only run every couple of hours. And off it goes. They tend to catch you off guard sometimes. You can probably just see there in the background the Chesley Street Cricket Club, where where Durham play, and England. It's getting quite dark now, and I think it's going to rain, so that's why it's not as clear, but you can probably just make it out. Here comes another train. It's currently 4:15, and it's a freight. Now comes a 1614 to Liverpool Lime Street. Just pulling into Chesley Street now. Off it goes to Liverpool Lime Street, and that will be the last train of the day in terms of pulling into the platforms, because the rest will all be non-stop services to Newcastle and the south. Let's do one from this side. Checking in, so it's currently 5:15 at Chesley Street Station, so I'll probably be catching a few more trains passing through before I head off at 6:03. That's when my train is due back to Chesley Street for Newcastle, and then I'll try and vlog a bit more from there. But it's been great at the station, and again, I did expect that the trains would come every couple of hours, and it's just if and when the rest of them turn up, as I'm not really looking at the timetable, being the Geordie that I am. But again, I hope you have really enjoyed it as well. But anyway, keep watching on. As expected, here comes across country, bound for Newcastle. It's off to Glasgow Central, looking by the front. There comes another train to Newcastle. What's going on, guys? So I'm back from Chesley Street. Yes, it's a bit dark, and I'm sorry about that. I've just got back from Chesley Street itself, and the reason I didn't film going back was because the train was quite busy. I couldn't get a seat, the train was late, the weather wasn't too great for filming either, and I didn't want to damage the camera. And but overall, it was a great experience. I've been to Chesley Street before on the East Coast Main Line. If you haven't been, it's a fantastic station to film at. Like I said on the video, it was a great day to film, just like the Hexham to Newcastle video yesterday, or vice versa, Newcastle to Hexham. And it's the day after, but this video will be going up next week when you watch it. As today, it's the 20th of September, and the Hexham video will be out this week as I'm speaking. But again, it was fantastic, you know, catching some of the fast trains passing through. This train station is normally run by Trainspotting. They run every couple of hours, so it is rather quiet unless the trains are passing through the Virgin Trains East Coast and cross country. I did catch some freight, so that was good. And again, it was a fantastic experience, so check it out for yourselves, and also check out all my previous videos at Chesley Street as well. And if you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to subscribe to the Geordie Trainspotter, and I'm going to try and video as much as I possibly can, try and do at least 2 videos a month. As I said, I made a mistake in the Hexham one, saying a week, and some of them is obviously messaging me as I speak, but again, that's what happens when you're busy like me. But again, thank you very much for your patience, and I'll catch you all later. Peace out.